This bar is going to be used to solve the problem that is given above. So you've got a coin, it's flipped 120 times, 60% of the time it is tails. How many times did it land on tails? In these problems you are expected to understand which fractions are equivalent to which percentages. You're also expected to understand that the bar represents the total repetitions of the flip of the coin. So the bar represents 120 flips of the coin. You are also expected to know that 60% has an equivalent fraction, and that fraction, while it is 60, remember percentage is 60 over 100, that fraction is simply 6 out of 10. I've simplified to an equivalent fraction 6 out of 10. Now when you are asked to use the bar to share equally, you are going to divide into a suitable number of sections so that you can represent the 60% basically as 6 parts out of 10. So we have to divide the bar into 10 parts. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So my bar is divided into 10 parts, which I need 6. So I'm going to shade 6 of them. Those 6 parts there are what you're using to represent 60%. All we need to do is work out how much of our quantity fits into each box. So if each box, when you add them together, is 120, you are dividing that into 10 parts, and 120 divided by 10 is 12. So in each box you have 12 flips of the coin. Now if six of them turn out to be tails, you've got 6 times 12, which is 72 throws. Now thinking about that again, the quantity that the bar represents is there. This gives us the number of boxes we need to divide the bar into, and that comes from the equivalent fraction. There is the bar divided into 10 parts, and we worked out how many flips go in each part, and from that we can work out what 60% is. Ooh.